We actually started in '94. I moved here to Namibia, just married. A piece of property next to the sea, we want to develop a business, a fishing business here in Namibia. But we managed to buy this property, which is the place from where we managed to start building the different operations we have. But we started in the premises that were not ours. And we managed to open this factory here next to the one that we are opening today. Now, when you build a fresh fish factory, not all the fish that comes through qualifies to be export fresh. And the other thing that we have done over the years is we have created this structure that we have here, that you see here, which is managed by a team under Merlus management.
The distinct honor of welcoming all of you to this prestigious event of the launch of Merlus Cormorant Fishing Factory in our port city, Walvis Bay.
Let me take this opportunity to thank Merlus Group of Companies for taking this giant leap in developing this fishing factory, and of course the Deputy Mayor for warmly welcoming us to this event. I'm therefore delighted to be standing here this morning to be part of the celebration of a project that will bring about positive impact in as far as employment creation and economic development for Namibia and in particular for the Erongo region.
Here today to officiate the inauguration of the new factory, but at the same time to also re-emphasize the Namibian government's desire and objective to continue to partner with the leading companies to anchor high value-added manufacturing, adopt advanced manufacturing technologies, and equip our people with requisite skill sets. This is indeed a giant leap of faith in the Namibian fishing industry, particularly during the post-COVID era when business confidence has been subjected to severe negative pressure. All of us know what happened. We want to congratulate the Merlus Group of Companies indeed for what they are doing now post-COVID. Omake.
planning and the talking and the planning should only take perhaps maybe 10%, and the 90% should be then the action where people should really benefit from what is taking place.